Mostly?
Yeah, Dwayne's been getting on my nerves, pushing me, man. But whatever, we spoke about that shit already.
Give him time. He's just out of prison.
For real. Listen, G, Dwayne ain't the only thing I got on my mind.
No?
No. Some motherfuckers been calling me a phony, calling me a snitch, calling me all kinds of bullshit.
Big deal.
Yeah, big deal. Damn right. Until I discover that same motherfucker, he's got some real loose lips.
Not bad. So, you'll need this guy silenced?
Yeah, he hangs out with his team near the courts on Exeter between X and W.
Okay. What does he look like?
Well, son ain't too diesel enough, and he a regular looking dude, know what I mean? And he don't flash his guap too much, but you can see it in his eye. He a hustler.
Eh?
Homie ain't too brolic, but he ain't scrawny neither. And he be styling on him a little, you dig? I mean, he ain't too bummy, but he grinding too.
So, he's the average one?
Look, he's brown skinned B. Motherfucker be rocking baggy clothes, all that. Jewels, and he stay fresh with the clean sneakers, know what I mean? But sometimes a bandana.
Look, I need more than that to go on.
Jesus. Here, take this, head down there, take a photo, send it to me, I'll point out which one of them motherfuckers it is.
Fine.
And that's a little gift for you.
And that's why the penetrators ain't doing nothing this season. They got no one who can work the lanes, man.
Shit, Lieutenant. That's something I was forced into from the necessity of my financial situation. My body is forced to rob and deal in order to sustain my own well-being and that of my immediate family.
Yeah, dámelo to go, por favor.
Got you now!
I'll give up when the Swingers win the World Series again.